Hi there, I'm Kathy from Room, and in this Room tutorial, I'll show you how to change your camera and mic permissions in Google Chrome. So say you're trying out Room for the first time, and after you've selected a room, you'll notice a permission pop up for Room to access your camera and mic. But perhaps you selected Block. You'll then notice that your device settings are red because your camera and mic cannot connect to the browser. To change that, head to the top left of your browser and click on the lock icon in your URL bar. You have to toggle on the mic and camera. If you don't see these options, go down to Site Settings under Privacy and Security, and you'll be able to make your adjustments. And once you're done, just hit reload or refresh, and Room will have access to your camera and mic. Thanks for joining me on this Room tutorial, and have a good day.